Sales prospecting is often an unexciting and mind-numbing job. There, I said it. You're probably thinking it, I said it. Spending hours identifying and researching prospects, drafting personalized cold emails and chatting them up on the phone. There's so much to do, yet you don't see the fruits of your labor for weeks, months, or even years, depending on the length of your sales cycle, which is why prospecting can often feel demotivating. But prospecting, on the flip side of this, is the lifeblood of your sales career. Deals can't happen without uncovering a prospect to communicate your offer with in the first place. So, if you hate prospecting and you're looking for a quick and easy tool to make your selling life easier, stay tuned. I've got the tool for you. So what is sales prospecting? Sales prospecting is the process of finding and reaching out to potential buyers of your product or service in order to bring them into your sales funnel and hopefully eventually make a sale. For most sales professionals, prospecting includes researching your prospects to determine the quality of the lead, connecting with the lead through email, call, or social media platforms, evaluating the lead's unique needs and pain points, positioning your product or service as the best solution for their requirements, and then following up, maybe endlessly, with the prospect. Now, with that all said, being good at prospecting is vital to having success in modern B2B sales. The more effectively you can find good prospects whose needs and pain points are satisfied by your product, the more likely you are to convert them into sales and to smash that sales quota. So that's what prospecting is. But what are the benefits of committing to a sales prospecting process? Well, prospecting is quite simply about communicating your message with potential customers. And when you can do this effectively, you're able to start conversations with targeted prospects, qualify prospects quickly, position your product as the best fit for the prospect's needs, and wipe out the competition. And when you can do that, you're going to get a few benefits of mastering this prospecting process. You're going to get a steady stream of new leads. You're going to be able to increase your productivity. You're also going to be able to collect competitive insights, which you can feed back into your prospecting. So you get more and more qualified prospects, the more and more individuals that you engage with over time. And according to HubSpot.com, the more leads you have in the top of your pipeline, unsurprisingly, the more sales you close at the very bottom of it. So, with all that said, where can you find all these new sales leads without having to Google companies and guess at email addresses and then beg gatekeepers for access to your potential decision makers? Well, you can use today's video sponsor, luciacom. Generating lists of potential prospects using Lucia is so easy. Just click the link below this video. You're going to get 25 free credits when you sign up to lucia.com using that link. And of course, you're going to be able to sign up today for free. Then install the Lucia plugin by following the simple instructions that you'll see when you sign up. Next, it's time to build our prospecting list. And I'll show you me doing it in real time on the computer here. So I'm signed into the lucia.com dashboard. I'm going to click the prospecting link up here. And let's do a legitimate search for me selling our Seller Made Simple Academy training product to, let's say, sales managers in the UK. So we're going to search an industry. We'll go for computer software. We want, medium-sized companies, so at least 1 million in revenue. We'll go to contact location. We'll go for people in the UK. Job title. I've already used this one. You can see I've been using Lucia myself to do some prospecting. I'll just type it in here for effect though. Sales manager. So here you can see we've got 1,886 people who fit that ideal buyer persona they are sales managers of medium to large size organizations in the UK in the sales software niche. Their company sells sales software. That's enough prospects for 1, 2, 3 salespeople if you're doing selling properly and appropriately and customizing your emails and outreach and cadence to these individuals to last them a year, 18 months, 2 years worth of outreach. Just closing a small percentage of those is very likely going to crush your sales quota. And that's how easy all of this is. So we've got the list of people here. Who can we use as an example? Here we go. Cybersecurity sales manager, Mr. Scott Collins at Microsoft. What a company to go after. This email address might be difficult to find if we were just Googling to try and uncover this person's contact information. Scott, chance of getting a direct number for this individual by just going on Microsoft website are very small, considering the size of the organization. Well, if I just click show details, there we go. Direct numbers and an email address for Scott Collins, sales manager over at Microsoft. How simple was that? We can now save this individual to a list if we want to go about creating a list of people to contact over the next quarter or so, or we can jump into one of these other platforms, Salesforce, Outreach, HubSpot, Pipedrive, a bunch of different platforms to get this contact information into our CRM or our Cadence software so we can start doing some outreach and getting some deals done. Filling your pipeline and increasing the chances of sales success has never been more simple. And if you'd like to start using Lucia to start filling your sales pipeline like what I'm doing right here, right now, then click the link in the description below and get started with 25 free credits today.